Now, for question 34, there are actually two ways of doing this. One, yeah, there are two ways to do this. Okay. Now, I will show you both ways, and I will let you judge which way is better. The first way is that you can think about how you can look at I to the 35 power and I to the 36 power. And as we said in the previous question, question 32, that I to any power of I to the power of a multiple of 4, it's automatically 1. So that means I to the 36th power is just 1. And what about I to the 35th power? Well, I to the 35th power, it's you can look at this as I to the 32nd power times I cubed. And I to the 32nd power, it's just 1. So in this case, you have I cubed as the answer, but I cubed, it's going to be negative I. So for 34, the answer is negative I. So this is one way of doing things. There's another way of doing things, and that is, let me use a different color to show you that. If you remember from your algebra 1, you have exponents like this. You can actually do the subtraction, or you can just simplify it to become 1 over I. And then and we need to rationalize it because we cannot have anything with I in the denominator. So we will have to multiply I over I, which is equal to 1. So you have I over I squared. And we know I squared is negative 1. So therefore, the answer is still going to be negative I. So I'll let you be the judge to choose which one is more convenient. My guess is that you would prefer the top one because you don't have to work on the rationalization. Okay.